And here's the 3.0 look of Excavator. Okay, long story short, 1.0 and 2.0. This, but probably another one on top of here, or half of one on top of here. Yeah, that was very big. Now, articulation is, well, ball joints all over, but here at the waist there is a pin swivel due to the hold on, Nexonite waist piece right here, which I don't mind. And, well, again, due to a Nexonite piece here, and a strange looking piece that I used for the hands, which is that piece right there. It can swivel on a post. Oh yeah, this is how she can hold her sword. Well, swords, she has two of them. And I did use the, 16 millimeter, yeah, 16 millimeter long chains, so they're pretty lengthy. Yep. And here's her second hand. She has two of these swords. And let's see how her fingers can hinge open and close, and that fits. Now, for her feet, as you can kind of already tell, she has two weird block toes. Well, I think I was inspired, I was inspired by a Matrix movie to make her feet like that, because it's a movie that I saw with either mechs or giant robots with feet like that. I forget which one. It's been a long while, but yeah, I was inspired by a movie to do that. Now, as you can see for her, this is the 1.0 with the hand, because I used to have the chains on that piece to pop off and be removed, but I decided to redo it. Now, as you can see, her hair representation, again, I drew inspiration from the dreadlocks from Dark of the Moon. And, yeah, hounds from Age of Extinction the Last Night. Mind you, I built her before Age of Extinction and the Last Night. No, before the Last Night, yeah. Now, there's a rounded stud piece with the bar, battle droid arm, smaller battle droid arm, dual-sided clip piece, single-sided clip piece. That can have the hair be more dynamic posing if I want it to be. And for the noggin right here, this is how she... Oh, there we go. Come on. This is how she originally looked. And, this is her battle damage side. Now, I did use that weird, Lego calls it, engine. I don't know. For her noggin. And that actually did help. Now, for her other accessory, alright, this might be a shock to you two, but she does have a handgun. Yes. Using another one of those weird engine block pieces to build it around. Again, it's a shock to YouTube that Transformers would have guns. But it's not a real policy violator, I assure you. Now, let's see. Size comparisons, which... Let's start off with the nano one first. The tiny one. Yeah, you can see that. Now, this would be a perfect size representation for a human, possibly. This, not even good for a human. Maybe a grown adult, I'm not sure. But she's 20 stories tall. And the minifig. So, okay, do the math relative to the country that you live in and put it in the comments below, and I'll make sure to put it in the doobly-doo below. Now, here's the Traveler, which is kind of an adult representation. Now, oh, let me do that. Here's Fig in his armor. Okay. And if you're wondering how tall Fig is out of his armor, that tall. So it wouldn't make a difference. And let's see here. And here's Dragonfire, which again, size-wise, he is 40 or no 50 U.S. stories tall. So this is a good size scale right here. Now, there we go. I get a better view of him. And, well, just for the heck of it, bring in the praline thing again. There we go. I'm going to end it on this note. Make sure to do the usual YouTube MacGuffin.